Chart I, adverbs. An adverb modifies a verb, adjective, or another adverb and answers the questions bum, 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 bum. How, when, where, why, how, often, how much, to what extent, under what condition, bum, 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 bum. Types of one-word adverbs, simple, no suffix, flexional, ly, bum, 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 bum. Affirmative, yes, certainly. Negative, no, not, never. Degrees of adverbs, do, 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 do. Positive, swiftly, swiftly. Comparative, more swiftly. Superlative, most swiftly. Bum, 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 ba-da-dum, bum, bum, ba-da-dum, bum, 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 bum. Types of multi-word adverbs. Phrase doesn't have a subject and verb. Clause has a subject and verb. Bum, 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 bum. An adverb modifies a verb, adjective, or another adverb and answers those questions. Bum, 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 bum.